Life in the UK Test. Chapter 5, Part 10. Disclaimer. This work is independent and non-official. It is a free help based on life in the United Kingdom, a guide for new residents, 3rd edition handbook. December 2015. Chapter 5, Part 10. The UK Government, the Law and Your Role. Youth Courts. Civil Courts. County Courts. The Small Claims Procedure. Legal Advice. Solicitors, Youth Courts. In England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, if an accused person is aged 10 to 17, the case is normally heard in a youth court, in front of up to 3 specially trained magistrates, or a district judge. The most serious cases will go the Crown Court. The parents or carers of the young person are expected to attend the hearing. Members of the public are not allowed in youth courts, and the name or photographs of the accused young person cannot be published in newspapers or used by the media. In Scotland, a system called the Children's Hearings System is used to deal with children and young people who have committed an offence. Northern Ireland has a system of youth conferencing to consider how a child should be dealt with when they have committed an offence. The Old Bailey is probably the most famous criminal court in the world. Civil courts. County courts. County courts deal with a wide range of civil disputes. These include people trying to get back money that is owed to them, cases involving personal injury, family matters, breaches of contract, and divorce. In Scotland, most of these matters are dealt with in the Sheriff Court. More serious civil cases, for example, when a large amount of compensation is being claimed, are dealt with in the High Court of England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. In Scotland, they are dealt with in the Court of Session in Edinburgh, civil courts. The Small Claims Procedure. The Small Claims Procedure is an informal way of helping people to settle minor disputes, without spending a lot of time and money using a lawyer. This procedure is used for claims of less than £5,000 in England and Wales, and £3,000 in Scotland and Northern Ireland. The hearing is held in front of a judge in an ordinary room, and people from both sides of the dispute sit around a table. Small claims can also be issued online through Money Claims Online, www.moneyclaim.gov.uk. You can get details about the small claims procedure from your local county court or sheriff court. Details of your local court can be found as follows. England and Wales, at www.gov.uk. Scotland, at www.scotcourts.gov.uk. Northern Ireland, at www.courtsny.gov.uk. Legal advice, solicitors. Solicitors are trained lawyers, who give advice on legal matters, take action for their clients, and represent their clients in court. There are solicitors' offices throughout the UK. It is important to find out which aspects of law a solicitor specialises in, and to check that they have the right experience to help you with your case. Many advertise in local newspapers and in yellow pages. The Citizens Advice Bureau, www.citizensadvice.org.uk, can give you names of local solicitors, and which areas of law they specialise in. You can also get this information from the Law Society, www.lawsociety.org.uk, in England and Wales. The Law Society of Scotland, www.lawscot.org.uk, or the Law Society of Northern Ireland, www.lawsocny.org. Solicitors' charges are usually based on how much time they spend of a case. It is very important to find out at the start how much a case is likely to cost. Study materials. All chapters from the study materials are Crown copyright and have been based on life in the United Kingdom. A Guide for New Residents 3rd Edition Handbook. All photos are borrowed from wikipedia.org under the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 3.0 unported. This work is independent and non-official, prepared in December 2015.